In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT API with Python. If you're eager to harness the full potential of AI and integrate it seamlessly into your Python projects, then you're in the right place. We're going to go through each step, making sure you end up ready to start building engaging AI-driven tools and applications. First things first, you'll need to have an account with OpenAI. If you haven't done so yet, head over to the OpenAI website, sign up, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, your next stop is to navigate to the Personal section located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then select View API Keys from the drop-down. This is your gateway to interacting with the ChatGPT API. On the API Keys page, you'll see a button labeled Create New Secret Key. Click this button to generate your key. Now, this key is crucial, so don't forget to copy it and save it somewhere secure, like a notepad file, because we'll need it later to authenticate our API requests. With your API key ready, your next step is to open your preferred coding environment. This could be any code editor, or even online platforms like Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook. In this example, we're using Google Colab for its simplicity and ease of use. In your environment, you'll start by installing the OpenAI library using a simple Python command. This library is what makes requests to the API possible. Once installed, import the OpenAI library into your project. You'll then want to take that secret key you generated earlier and store it in a variable. This will be our way to securely access the API. Next, you'll need to set up a context for ChatGPT. This involves creating a JSON file to define the API's role, which in this case is a system. This context setting is important as it helps guide the API on its intended task or interaction style. Now for the fun part, writing the code that will enable ongoing conversations. We'll be utilizing an infinite while loop, and the beauty here is that this allows continuous chatting with ChatGPT without the need to rerun your code constantly. Inside the loop, prompt the user for input and store their message. If any input is given, you append this to your JSON file and generate the chat using OpenAI chat_completion.create. This API call does all the magic, generating responses based on user input. Finally, you'll store the API's reply in another variable and use the print function to display this response back to the user. This interaction mimics a real-time conversation and prompts for the next piece of input, thanks to our infinite loop. Once the code is up and running, you can test it with queries like what is Geeks for Geeks or which is the best DSA course on GFG. Each input gets a response from ChatGPT, displaying its robust capabilities. As you can see, building interactions like this helps leverage AI's power, opening the door to endless possibilities in your projects. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using the ChatGPT API with Python, and you're all set to start building insightful AI-driven applications.